In front of me is HUAWEI P Smart 2021 NFC, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on this device. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select apps, and here go to all apps. Now mark more icon, and here at the bottom of the list you will notice reset app preferences. So if you truly want to do it, just mark it, and then if you want to perform the operation which will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps, background data restriction for apps, or any other permission restrictions, just click on reset. Just remember that you will not lose any app data, so no worries, and that's it. So you've just reset app preferences. Congrats, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.